Are you watching the TV, babe? Can you turn it off, please? Or mute it? Thank you. Hi guys! Magluluto tayo ng Filipino-style spaghetti. Hindi pa ako magluluto kasi pupunta pa kami ng gym. I have my gym outfit. Yes, yes, yes. Pero, ipiprepare ko yung ingredients. So, hindi ako nag-vlog today kasi I filmed 3 videos and I was planning to film this as well. My gym outfit though. Yung sports bra ko is galing kay... Basta online siya guys. Janelle's Closet. Yeah, na-feature ko siya sa vlog ko noon pa. And binigyan niya ako ng sports bra. Meron siyang shop sports bra. Meron siyang Nike dito. Pero I'm pretty sure hindi siya totoong Nike. Pero it still feels nice. And this top I got from Kmart. This is from Kmart as well. Mag-prepare tayo ng ingredients. Nakatip ko to. Nakatip to ako kasi gamit ko yung tripod ko na And hindi ako Kita ba? Sobrang konti lang kasi ng mabuho ko. Ayoko siyang i-shave kasi magpapa-laser ako. Hindi naman siya kita. Gaganon-ganon ako mamaya. Ingredients. Cooking video to, hindi to vlog. Parang vlog na din. Kasi yung cooking video ko, cooking video ko talaga. Kasi nga hindi ako marunong magluto, diba? So, inaano ko na lang siya. Parang chikahan, tapos nagluluto ako. Hindi necessarily na tinuturuan ko kayo magluto. Kasi nga, hindi nga rin ako marunong. Ako pa kaya magtuturo. Hindi nga ako marunong. Pero okay naman. Kapag nag-film ako, tapos it turns out na hindi siya masarap, hindi ko siya i-upload. Pero kung okay naman siya, then i-upload ko siya kahit hindi ako ganun ka-pro, diba? So, first ingredient is itong regular mince. Ano siya? Beef na mince. Ano na siya? $5.50. Tapos, kailangan natin ng onion. So, meron kaming lalagyan ng mga dito. Isa dito onion. Yes. Okay. Mamaya ko na yan i-chop. Prepare ko lang sila. Ito, merong laman. Guess kung ano yung laman ito. You guessed it right. Tomato. Cute, di ba? And then, ano pa ba kailangan natin? Kailangan natin ng cheese, pero dyan na muna yan kasi mamaya na yan eh. And then, ano pa ba inilalagay ko dun? Kailangan din natin ito. Ito. So, real stock. Beef stock. Yan. Instead of tubig lang, stock yung nilalagay ko para mas malasa talaga siya. Ano siya? Lazy way. Para sa akin, tamad na way na, like, to make your food more tasty. Ayan. Garlic means garlic. Kasi tinatamad ako na yung garlic. Parang durugin yung garlic na buo talaga. So, bumibili ako ng minced garlic. Tapos, pa siya. Sobrang dali lang. And yung spaghetti. Pasta. Oh, I can't reach that. You ready for the gym bag? And then the sauce as well, please. So, kailangan natin ng spaghetti. Yung gusto na na brand is the Barilla. And then, spaghetti sauce. Do we have 2 of these? Do we have another one? This is small. I think we have another one. We got 2. Yes. So, yung ginagamit ko is the spaghetti sauce sweet style. Kasi mas masarap siya kapag sweet. Parang Jollibee lang. Char! Yan. 2. Nice. And, pakita ko sa inyo yung ingredients. Close up. Pinaalala sa akin ni Danny Boy, ang sausage pala. Hindi sausage, hotdog. So, bumili kami ng hotdog. Meron akong story dito, guys. Nakakaloka. Is this it? I think it is this. Yes. Meron akong story sa hotdog na to. I think day off ko last week. Wednesday yun. And, wait. Wednesday yun. And, dito lang ako sa bahay. Hindi ako nag-edit kasi pahinga nga ako, diba? Hindi ako nag-edit, hindi ako nag-film. Chill lang ako sa bahay. I actually ended up cleaning that day. So, I was still a bit busy, but not as busy. Pero, while naglilinis ako and while meron ako mga ganap-ganap sa buhay, nanonood ako ng mga videos. May nakita akong video na kumakain sila ng hotdog, something. Sabi ko, nakakamiss naman yung hotdog sa Pilipinas kasi meron silang mga, tinatawag nilang hotdog pero sausages. Meron silang mga sausages dito pero hindi talaga siya kapareho ng hotdog sa Pilipinas. So sabi ko, gusto ko kumain ng hotdog. Tinawagan ako ni Dangerine na din. Sabi ko, gusto ko kumain ng hotdog. Tapos pag uwi niya, sabi ko, gusto ko talaga kumain ng hotdog. So umalis kami bigla. Siguro mga 5 na yun. Tapos yung Manila Trading sa City, mag-close sila ng 6. So, I think mga 5:10 kami umalis. And nakarating kami doon, siguro mga 5. No, I think we left at around 5:20. Tapos nakarating kami doon mga 5:50 na. Like, nakarating kami talaga sa store. So, we had 10 minutes. Buti na lang open pa sila. Kasi sobrang traffic sa city, especially kapag ganung oras, kasi uwian ng mga tao galing sa city, so sobrang traffic talaga. And then, nagpunta kami doon. And nakita ko itong hotdog na to, guys. Mighty juicy hotdog na merong cheese. Hindi ito yung hinahanap ko. Yung gusto ko yung red na hotdog. Kasi meron silang ganito dito, na ganitong kulay. Hindi siya kapareho ng hotdog natin. Like, iba. Sausage siya. Hindi siya, like, basta. Sobrang ibang-iba. Anyway, kumuha ako ng dalawa agad, 2 pack ng hotdog. Sabi ko na, kahit na hindi yung hinanap ko, kumuha ako agad ng 2. Nakakaloka itong cooking video na to, naging story time na. Anyway, kumuha ako tapos kumuha ako ng, parang hotdog siya na shape, pero tosino. So, tosino siya na ganun din, pahaba. Kumuha ako ng 1 pack nun, tapos kumuha ako ng chippy, kumuha ako ng, hindi siya ganun karami at all. Pag check out na namin, $85. $85 yung binayaran namin. Sabi ko, bakit? Yung hotdog pala, guys. Ito, yung 1 pack ng hotdog, $15. How much is $15? Tumaas pa na naman yung dollar ngayon. So, parang 40 na ata yung Australian dollar. 600 pesos. 600 pesos sa isang ganito. 2 ganyan yung binili ko. Tapos isa nung tosino, yung tosino was like $12. So around 500. And yeah, $85 sabi ko. Pasensya naman, hotdog lang yun. Nag-crave ako ng hotdog. And then, okay lang. Kasi hindi naman ako nagsha-shopping ng Filipino food like all the time. So, and alam ko talaga na mahal talaga siya. So, okay lang. Pagdating namin, pag-uwi namin, luto agad ako, guys. Kasi excited ako kasi nga gusto ko kumain ng hotdog. Pagkain ko ng hotdog, hindi siya ganun kasarap. So, sabi ko, sayang naman yung pera ko. Gusto ko yung red. So, sana next time makita ko yung red. Yung red lang. Kasi, diba, siguro mas mura yung red kasi walang cheese. Ay, pinatry ko din kaya. Hindi niya din nagustuhan. So, sabi niya, huwag na tayong bumili ng hotdog na yan. Nakakaloka. Mahal ang hotdog, besh. Pero, gagamitin natin yung hotdog na ito para sa ating spaghetti. Masarap yan. Hello! We're back from the gym. I will just prepare the ingredients and start cooking it. And then while it's simmering, because it needs to simmer for like 30 minutes later, that's when I will take my shower. So, I will just prepare the hot dogs. I will just chop it into small pieces. I think I'm gonna use all 5 hot dogs. That's fine, right? And then I will have Dan cook the pasta later. I hope he will film it. He's taking a shower right now. And then I was actually thinking of using just 1 pot. We'll see later. As you guys notice, cooking time, hindi naman kasi siya like recipe talaga. You're done, babe? Oh, wow. That's quick. Yeah, so wala akong like kung ilang cups. Wala akong ganun. Like, tansya-tansya lang talaga yung akin. Matagal ako nagluluto ng spaghetti actually. Like sa Pilipinas, like sa Pilipinas, nagluluto ako ng spaghetti kapag merong special occasion like Christmas usually. And dito gusto kasi ni Dan to. So, yeah. I will just chop the onion as well. Same with the hot dog. And yeah, magsa-start na tayo magluto after ma-ready na lahat ng ingredients. Okay, so first is yung oil natin. So I'm just using a regular olive oil. And then, lagay na natin yung onion. So, ganyan kadami yung onion nilalagay ko. Kung ano lang yung natira ng onion sa akin. I will add garlic as well. So, I use the crushed garlic para mas madali. And ito guys, ano siya, wiwisik-wisik, what do you call that? What do you call that, babe? Is it? It's not on. It wasn't on. Oh my gosh, such a fail. Gusto ko maraming garlic, so dinadamihan ko siya. Ganyan. Ano to? Wiwisik-wisik. Ang tama ba yung term ko? Kasi kapag crushed garlic, nagwiwisik-wisik siya. What's the term? Like splash? Garlic splashes? Or, I'm not sure if I'm saying it
A
wrong.
dab. A dab. What do you call a dab?
Like when you cook it, it splashes.
Oh, yeah, splashes. Yeah.
Yeah.
Splatters, splashes.
Splatters, yeah.
I'll tell you.
I know, right? Yeah, so hintayin mo lang na maging translucent yung onion and then ilalagay mo yung beef after. So, yeah. Oh, actually, hindi siya nagsasplash. Oh, parang yun pala yung siguro yung technique, babe. I think that's the technique. Like, you mix it first together so it doesn't splash. Because I think if it's really hot and then you put the garlic in.
Could be.
Yeah, right? Because now it's not splashing. I mean, not yet. Maybe because it's not hot enough yet. Because I forgot to turn it on. But that's alright. So, oh yeah. Did you see that? It splashed. Yeah, it was bad. So sa beef, hindi din ako nag-measure guys. Kung ano lang yung makita namin sa supermarket. Wala lang, yun lang yung binibili namin. Hindi like 1 pound or ilang kilo. So ilalagay ko na lang yung beef kasi nagsasplash yung Right.
Yeah.
Papel. Ow!
Got it.
Nah.
Yeah.
You do it. Get the paper. It hurts. Thank you. Kapag malapit na maluto yung beef, doon mo na ilalagay or doon ko na nilalagay yung hotdog. So kapag ganyan na siya guys, na as in sobrang lapit na talaga maluto, it's time to put the hotdog. So the bear will put the hotdog. Again, depende na sa inyo kung ilang hotdog yung gagamitin
Tell me how much
nyo.
hot dog was.
Sorry?
Tell me how much hot dog.
I know, I told them already. Expensive hotdog.
No, it's expensive.
It is. Nakahubad siya, so.
I am naked.
He's naked again! Yan. So, hintayin mo lang na maluto yung hotdog and then after niya, napapakita ko sa inyo yung ano yung ginagawa ko next.
And go.
Okay, so kapag luto na yung hotdog or kapag malapit na siya maluto, lalagay mo na yung spaghetti sauce, sweet style or Filipino style. I think the sweet style. Ito, Filipino naman talaga ito na sauce eh. So, isa muna yung ilalagay ko and then titingnan ko kung kailangan pa namin ng more pa.
I think 1 pack will be enough, babe.
Yeah, right? That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. So, yeah, I think
You can always add a bit of water into it as well. Maybe you need a bit more.
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say. I'm gonna add this. So,
Is that
yeah, I
a
think
new
this
one
is
or one we already used already?
We've used that, but
Okay.
it expires on the 18th.
Yeah,
so
that's alright.
fine. Pinakamababa na yung nito guys, apoy. Kasi kailangan mo lang i-simmer to eh. Kasi hindi naman, luto na naman tong sauce, diba? Kailangan mo lang siya i-simmer. So, I think 1 is enough. 1 packet is enough. And then we will add the beef stock as well. And I don't measure it as well. I just like pour whatever. Danny boy is getting ketchup. Oh, this looks good. Okay, so tansya-tansya lang din to. That should be fine. Did we buy another one of that? Or no? Okay, so i-mix ko lang to guys. And then I will let it simmer for like 30 minutes. So while nagsisimmer siya, I will take a shower.
This is a different one.
Yeah, that's not banana ketchup. That's tomato ketchup. This is what it looks like after, I think, 15-20 minutes of simmering. So Dan will taste it.
Bit watery still.
Yeah, no, we're not done yet. Like, it needs to simmer for like 30 minutes, so.
That's good, it's just hot.
How's the flavor?
It's good.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's good, just hot.
Why did you give me that look?
That's good, just hot.
Yeah? Just hot?
So,
Oh, that's alright. But yeah, maganda to guys kasi super meaty niya. Hindi siya like sabaw-sabaw lang. Meaty talaga siya. And kapag na-reduce na yung ano niya, parang tubig-tubig, sobrang magiging masarap na to. And look, the hot dog is really good. It has the cheese in it. I don't have my lemon. Yummy! It's good there. We don't have to add cheese now. Usually I add cheese while cooking the sauce, but we'll just add the cheese later. Because it's very cheesy because of the hot dog with cheese. It's good! Yum! Okay, that's good.
alright.
Ah!
Fail. Big fail.
That was some of the oil from here.
It's good from here, so.
And then what we do is we scoop a little bit from there. Put it here. That's enough. And then just mix it.
Why do we do this, babe?
I don't know. Why do we do this?
It stops from sticking.
Okay.
I
That's
know
why.
I do more, but you don't let me.
Well, we will not have enough.
Okay.
That's enough. This is Dandy Boys.
More. Yeah, that'll do.
That's enough or not?
Yeah, we'll do. Yeah.
For now. And the other so good.
Yeah, that'd be good.
And then you put the cheese. This is what it looks like.
South Australia, we've taken charge.
Yummers?
It's good. Yeah,
That's
yeah,
good.
Thanks, babe.
So that's the Filipino spaghetti. Kakain na kami. Kakain na kami, guys. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, please subscribe. I hope to see you guys on my next one. Do not forget, be good. Bye! Mwah.